Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore essential road safety tips every driver should know. Whether you're commuting daily or going on a long road trip, these tips can help keep you and others safe on the road. Tip 1. Defensive driving. This means staying alert and anticipating potential dangers on the road. Keep a safe distance between your car and the vehicle ahead, follow the speed limit, and always be aware of what's happening around you. Expect the unexpected, whether it's a pedestrian crossing suddenly or another driver making an abrupt stop. It's estimated that if basic road safety measures were followed, we could prevent between 25% and 40% of road accidents. Tip 2. Importance of seatbelts. Always wear your seatbelt, no matter how short the trip. Seatbelts are the simplest yet most effective way to prevent serious injuries in case of an accident. Studies show that wearing a seatbelt reduces the risk of fatal injury by 45% for front seat passengers. Tip 3. Avoiding distracted driving. Whether it's your phone, eating, or adjusting the radio, distractions can lead to devastating accidents. Texting while driving is particularly dangerous. Even a glance at your phone can make you miss crucial moments on the road. Keep your focus on driving and save the distractions for when you're safely parked. Next tip, stick to speed limits. Speeding reduces your reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. Remember, arriving late is better than not arriving at all. Always drive within the posted speed limits, and adjust your speed based on road conditions like rain or traffic congestion. Tip 5. Regular vehicle maintenance. Ensure your car is in top condition by performing regular checks. Pay attention to your tires, brakes, and fluid levels. Worn-out tires or faulty brakes can easily lead to accidents. Keep up with your car's maintenance schedule to avoid breakdowns and ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Tip 6. Always use your turn signals. Signaling well in advance of lane changes, turns, or when merging into traffic helps other drivers know your intentions. Clear communication on the road is key to avoiding collisions. Tip 7. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Impaired driving significantly reduces reaction time and judgment, making you a danger to yourself and others. If you've been drinking, always have a designated driver or use a ride-sharing service. Tip 8. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, especially in heavy traffic or bad weather conditions. The recommended distance is at least 3 seconds between you and the car ahead. In poor weather or if you're driving a larger vehicle, increase that distance to ensure enough time to react. Tip 9. Be mindful of weather conditions. Rain, fog, and snow can make roads slippery and reduce visibility. In these conditions, slow down, turn on your headlights, and maintain a greater distance from other vehicles. Avoid sudden braking or sharp turns to prevent skidding. Finally, avoid road rage. Getting angry behind the wheel can cloud your judgment and lead to dangerous situations. Stay calm, avoid aggressive drivers, and if you find yourself getting frustrated, take deep breaths and focus on staying safe. That's it for today's video on road safety tips. Remember, staying safe on the road is all about staying aware, staying calm, and keeping your vehicle in good shape. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on road safety and vehicle inspections. Drive safe. Thanks for watching.